Hello everybody and welcome back. So we're going to continue in this tutorial and make this setup. So in the last tutorial we did this in Houdini, and if you didn't do it in Houdini you can just download it in the link in the description, or you just do the shapes in another program if you want. So yeah, we're going to be in Unity and make this now. So we're going to go into the scene we ended up in, and this is where we are. So now we need to make a material to make it look kind of good. So I'm going to make a shader graph, URP lit shader graph. So we're going to just copy the name. I want the same name, so I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to create the material, and then I'm just going to place it on these ones. So if we open it up, and I'm going to have it here. So I'm just going to make it really simple, and I'm going to have a simple noise because I want a little bit I want just the surface to feel a little bit more metallic-ish. So I'm going to use a remap. The reason for this is if we hide... Yeah. So if I take the remap into the... Let's say smoothness. See here, it looks like it's happening something. It's super nice. And I'm also going to do it in the metallic. So now we see... It looks like some kind of metallic material-ish, and but I don't want it to be this hard. And what I mean by that, I want it to be more softer, not so black and not so white. And in the metallic, I'm just gonna kind of do this maybe 0.33, and here I go down to 0.56 maybe, a little bit more settle. And I'm just going to do here in the smoothness, I'm also going to have this one to 0.5, 0.75. So now you see this, it kind of happens something in here. I just don't want it to be too strong. Maybe even lower, maybe. Yeah, this is fine. So I'm just going to let it be for like this. And also we want a color. So yeah, color is a color. And I'm going to make sure that this color is HDR. And I'm going to just do a default value color, like, yeah, something like this. It'll be fine. So this is the material. Perfect. I'm going to save it and close it. And now back in the scene, you see now we have this one here. And we can change the parameters. Yeah, maybe we want a little bit more shiny. So I'm going to crank it up a little bit more. So it's a little bit more shiny. Super nice. So yeah, you can tweak it as you want. I'm just going to delete it and put it one more time. So we have it zeroed out. I'm going to remove this ground, and I'm going to find a location for the camera. So I think, yeah, this maybe. I'm going to take the camera and do Control-Shift-F. And now the camera moved to the same scene view. So if I move here and I would like to have the camera here, and I have the camera selected, Control-Shift-F again, now you see. So I can show you like this. That's super nice to kind of find a way to set the camera. And I think I want the camera to be a little bit more close in like this. Yeah, and I want more shapes. So I'm gonna go back to Houdini, and in this controller, I'm gonna do shapes to maybe 10. 10 is fine. Gonna save to disk. Now we have 10 shapes, so it's almost fill out. I'm actually gonna do, let's do even more. I'm gonna have 14 shapes. So that's gonna be fine. So now it fills all the way out. So this is super, super nice. I guess you see the benefit of Houdini. I love it. So now we just need the script to make this work, and I'm gonna take the this is the script I made. I'm not gonna do it again. I'm gonna show you what I made in it. So this is a script and shapes here, and that's a list. You see it's 0. So what I want to do, I just go in here, take all the shapes. Okay, I need to lock this one, right? So the shapes, the parent shapes, I just lock it. And then I can go and select here, and then I just drag it to the shapes. So now you see we have them here. And in this script, you can see we have, I use these classes. System collection generic is the one that we use for the list. So then we have a difference. Oh, I don't remember the different stuff. I'm just gonna leave it. Maybe even, yeah. I actually don't remember. Let's just remove. I'm gonna put it to 0 and see the difference. So we have the amplitude. Okay, sorry, I'm just wobbling around. So we have the list here, and we have in the update we have a for each loop, and for each frame it's kind of just go in and make a new position, and we only change the I value. So we do a math sinus curve, and we do different input in this one depending on the shape's index in the list. So the I here is the index. So that's why we get different places in the sinus value. And then we just do an amp. The amplitude is for how far up and down it will go. And then we just do assign this new position to the index. So this is a setup, and this is how it looks. So we don't have the material. Yeah, we need to assign the material again. So here we have. So if we play, you see now it works. So the amplitude, we can lower it down a little bit. And the difference, let's see. Okay, the difference is how many signs we are doing. So if we only do small ones, you can almost see the beginning and the end. It's kind of a big wave. So the difference is kind of how many waves we're gonna have. Yeah, so this is how you do it. I really find, I like doing this. So if you like this, check out the other tutorials I have. And thank you so much for watching, and please follow me and subscribe to support me, and have a great day.